What's up my mates of YouTube, my name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about 3 men's fragrance essentials. But before I get into that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, just hit that big red subscribe button down below. It's free, it's easy, and it helps me out immeasurably, so thank you. The first fragrance I'm going to recommend is an obvious one, and that is Versace's Eros. Please keep in mind though that this is the EDT, not the Eau de Parfum or the Parfum. The EDT is clearly the best value of the bunch, although all 3 smell fantastic. You can get a price line, and occasionally they'll have a sale for $99 for the 200 ml bottle of Versace Eros. That is the bottle I would recommend purchasing. It's $100, but for what it is, it's fantastic. It smells like vanilla, mint, apple, and it's got some warm, spicy notes as well. Versace's Eros is just a fantastic men's fragrance. It's versatile, you can wear it out, you can wear it after you shower, just lower the sprays in that particular instance. And it was my fragrance of the day today as well. It just smells absolutely fantastic. This is one of those fragrances that every man should have in their collection, and that is why it's in my 3 essentials. Next up is Montblanc's Explorer. This is a clone of Creed's Aventus, and some people would say pick Club de Nuit Intense for Men because it is cheaper, but I would say Explorer is the better option because it smells more natural and less synthetic. I also prefer Club de Nuit Intense for Men, but just because it has like a much denser smokiness. But for most people, they're going to prefer the lighter, fresher take of Explorer. And the reason why I'm recommending Montblanc's Explorer instead of Creed's Aventus is because that's like a $400 fragrance. Who's got $400 to spend on a fragrance? It's just ridiculous. It smells fantastic, but $400, I'd rather spend it on something way better. So Montblanc's Explorer, it's a great scent, fresh, versatile, all seasons, all occasions, high heat, winter time, doesn't really matter. It's just a fantastic scent, and that's why an Aventus style fragrance should be in every man's rotation. And lastly, we're gonna go with a tobacco fragrance just because you need something warming and rich. And I'm going with Burberry London simply because I can't be bothered trying to find my bottle of CK1 Shock, although that would have been probably my choice because it lasts a little longer. Burberry London is a fantastic smelling fragrance. It is another monster when it comes to compliments, which is interesting because in my experience, most people don't really gravitate towards tobacco fragrances, but I think for the colder months, tobacco is where it's at. This is warming, it's rich, it's inviting. It's like a comfortable grandfather sweater, you know? One of those old man sweaters, you know, warming, it hugs you just right. This is a fantastic scent. Pick it up. I mean, this is like $50 Australian, although I would recommend CK1 Shock because that is like $35. But Burberry London, it's a good placeholder because I can't find the bottle. Anyways, your list is probably going to look a little different. My list is based on the fact that I believe versatility is a really important part about men's perfumery, having something that will suit every occasion. Anyway, let me know what your list is down in the comments below. I'm always curious to hear what you guys think. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.